If Roblox is not launching on a device, don't worry. This is a common issue with easy solution. Whether you are on Windows, Mac, iPhone, or Android, just follow this step. First of all, check your internet connection. Roblox won't launch if your network is slow or unstable. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and try switching from Wi Fi to mobile data or the vice versa. You can also restart your router if needed. Now, once done so, simply try restarting your device. A simple restart can fix many issues. It is simple but effective. It clears memory and stock processes. So now all you have to do is slide to power off, wait for 10 seconds, and open your device back again. Now all you have to do is go to the App Store or Google Play Store, and in there search for the Roblox app, and from the list of the app tap on the legitimate one, and if there is an update available, update it to the latest version. Sometimes the update can fix some minor issues in the app. So now, once updated, all you have to do is go back to the home screen, look for the settings app, and tap on it. Now for Android, all you have to do is clear the cache of the Roblox. For iPhone, tap on the general, tap on the iPhone storage, then scroll down from the list of the apps. All you have to do is tap on the Roblox. And once you tap on the Roblox, you'll get to see offload app option available in there. Offload it and reinstall the app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.